Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. I'm gonna make a little episode. I'm gonna share this with you. This is something really simple that some people been asking for a long time. So I'm gonna share this brief episode. How to detect vacuum leaks on your vehicle. The only thing that you need to have is a brake cleaner. Make sure that your brake cleaner is non-chlorinated because this is flammable. There is some that is chlorinated. You don't need that. Make sure that it says non-chlorinated. You're gonna spray a light mist everywhere on your car, on all your hoses. Just a light mist. Like that. Make sure that your car is on idle when you do this, so let it warm up for a little bit. When the RPM is low, around what 700-800 RPMs, spray it on all your hoses. And when the RPM change, that's where your vacuum leak is, because it's flammable. The engine is gonna suck the brake clean through the leak, and then your RPM is gonna change, and that's where your vacuum leak is. A lot of people's been asking me about this. They have vacuum leaks, they can't find it. So this is the easiest and simple ways to do it. So I hope you like this little episode, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.